na mane bobi wo mo mbo mane no wi ameka madwen de bia me catch us ye Ghana drop a sheme na on ma yaka pa chia me we shall now nim no wan chia me kra me said that san fra wa chia wa ka ho na what ho ase e de amame but answer na no Sergeant Veronica Apia Techiwa whole regional police headquarters mame and your birthday wa ukuno Inspector Jonas Achu Anagbla semen control say 1 odo 2 one man strong boys Shadrach Meshach and Abednego the 3 Hebrews also one man memma me and sapa until first one the Shadrach second one the Meshach third one the Abednego no say control say odo papa Inspector Achu de me am Inspector Achu ofre kra mambo ndin anti Mrs. Veronica Ampia Techiwa happy birthday. Ebusha ade a ye pa wo wiase se wo de wadwen ya ade asika wo ho na be wu na ahia wo. Eye wo. Eye papa. Se metiwe pa na se bia ma ye nwom na ma twere book. Na se so captain kwada ya wan sore. Na se me bi didi kakra wo ho ansama kɔ no na ahia me nam tim. Na de eye kura na se wu kura wi a sanka esa wo ma bedi to aso arano me kwa check me kwa ka ese se ma ka Jackson kwa ye we bi ma okra bi o ba bi nti se okra na kura na o ye will the man no wo mu se onya free health care ti okra na ye will the man no Michael Jackson royalties na we wu no okɔ no ye mfa bi nhwe okra no kosi se okra no ebewu enro bi di video bi kire me pa papa bi a wato nwum okrom ha pa owu amonkunum wo obakuma se ka chose we owu e frɛ na amonkunum na che se sa owu no ya describe enye ye mmoso enye atofo wo so atofo wo na so amonkunum we eya amonkunum che se baby owu da he ne yenka se di owu ye mmoso but ade bi ha me kroyim titu radio stations nkra baby wo mo bonwo mo ntua radio ni television stations e wo krom ha presenters je payo ewie na osa bonwom no dia show ma show na ye station no ontua hwe e ma musicians e wo Ghana na ye wi ya kra ya sa entertainment shows so ya kase musicians na hia wo na bonwom na wantua na hey wo bonwom no radio station no TV station na wantua no wo pese musician no nkodi den yemfa no nto na Ghana musicians na say mo skasa ena hia mo nkrofo no okay ma me bra studio be dem ya me mbodi mo ma me bi wo ha no fefefe ami kama oso no menye wadwen se wo ba ho tie pe de city show do madam patwa akwaba
yeja yey
ni de grofo pe
mafaba
o afa ye
ese denye o me do afa kra beka me kasa obi me kasa me am si yey o ka to yesenye achemi papa na yey na de chemi
ese de be body am si yey o se ye tena kurase
no cre
ne sa tena mpo ado kakra na ye kokupa so ye kwatra kwayim ti aya na emuwa ti ye fro se kwadwei wuji so yes ni pa no de yey na chese enro mu ha ye deja ye fro na akoso Japan akoso akwaba
ye nua
na bibia boko de
enya boko sa but abrabomu de na wo hwe se 2020 abatuen de meka se boko ba wo hwe se na wo kan ye botomu de a enya boko sa
na aya aduane be na ade wo de chen aduane a wo de ne nsu a wo nom ene empa wo da so na ye nyebi
nyame sien kanokre eye papa na osro na captain midi fufuo midi konkonte midi bibiebi
yese jem kura onko bi
da bi wona nim wo minim ade kra me nkoma bi so na mako tintin mampo be ye nyame captain nyame na ye say ente amaka bibi a kire we ma me
no bi bisa me so munja na kwatwa de on tu kura nam say ha
mouses
wo say dey
ye
mouses we shall go say Japan about respect no we did 50 years was I was 6
nyo
I would two pay one with your eye. Why should they jump on sand? What can boom, sister? Brand no baby, you, I'm telling you.
Oh, goodness.
Brand penny be so can ho, what for Quaba?
Yeah, Captain.
Now, be able to dear.
I don't, and I'm on Piebo.
Who's on out to send your lawyer by your own?
Migusuara. Enche.
Jama, a prophet.
Enche.
Because me who say a troll law or more muscle. And some mammy we saw say we saw not say be
a prophet that could pay. Hey, if I call you, man, everyone.
I was a crack of family alone. I was a log who must I'm a mibusa. Some be able to
Oh, I don't know on Piebo.
What am I would?
Oh, your friend, Mr. Ukuhagan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Ukuhagan, the other day.
Oh, Nukreni, Messia CSE.
Chasseur.
Messia CSE. Me you be a man, Miss Sakati pan, a jump tour. A dear manager.
Okay.
Na the woman, namely the late Rama Bedu. Number fire police ni. And to feel Rama Bedu down pat, no compa power. No,
a pair moon anchor, say, homeboy.
Nti me ne man na na hia se nkakra nkakra but ye benyi and na your interest e school ko ne me na interest o baby kakra but ye mu bi ye nya kwan e ko gamro ho me feel kakra because me good also in IT and ye say ministry pe my jemf ye adwen say anka e be kwa bua industry no sloopy ho say your man hen e wo boso.
Okay.
No mind but we turn in 90 kakra or call Holland and the bushing phobia on so could din komo bia samba. Nti ya wo hono na me hu niam nkiti bia e course a me hu say edi adwumfutufo nya nam so dabi. Enya de a metena se na ma ye hwe han. Me yes akra na onyankopon kra be den e bibisa me. Nti ma me ho bi de me ho to ho e ba for say me bobode a say meko age adwumtofo. Near Wohoni, I'm say picture now, can want some. I'm the child. Okay. BB Collins. We share TBM and Nemo once a papano. A conic creature na anu in Yankakra.
Say, I dare your permission when a bush for what?
Debbie.
No, make us say your permission.
Now, you're also some woman say, Papa, a ye be any who be Kogana Fanning, I am morning you more. I drop Benny. The Biao could be a boy.
On the boy, I drop a name of
a no boy. Now, dear Yan say, Papa, now, Kwan, you man, or Chireno. I will pay sick. I say, Gamrun, the Sakwa, financial institution. Now, you approach Gamru for. Now, Gamru for say, Papa, no, my breno. Now, oh, me, Tima Samsao. Me, my bomb in you now. Yes. Every Saturday be a papa ya born in you. Yes. Other than be a Wagana have your radio station be a boy dropping. Sure. But the choir no, one must say papa no my brain. I'll give you the voice just like a normal voice be more. That's our voice me more than say. Somewhere along the program no sabe boka cry. E be dum pepe so with your permission no. This our voice me more no asabo. Na dum tuni bia o Ghana ha no eti.
Say ya bra BB call.
So my brain because so many sika. What the Koreansa na nka no de twaloto.
Na sika na wo modia.
Bisa biom. And this hwɛ sa nneɛma we nyinaa na in fact na ya ayerɛ ho.
We are sure.
Eno kura pa na.
Baby ɔte no hu me.
Me hu pa.
We are sure.
Yeah.
Hu me yi.
Pa captain atiwi.
Sa o ma brɛ no.
Wo so ma brɛ.
Me am sika.
Wo so ma brɛ no. No mo ma ne sika na. O de wensa. Kan no de twaloto. To the point say woko ayi musical office. Ewo Kumase. Ama yenya obi a o board is gamro board is katre papa na say won fi onko anya say o di nsonkro nsuo. Eba office.
Oh baby, abai opening. Oh, Jaisa.
Captain, Adeba Captain, my man
BB Collins.
My man Casa.
Obi papa.
My man Casa Mitra here.
Nendi pana be wura office. Now o catch and say oye nipa o sabe onya kraman sabe. Oh. Say on free office on kono do sonko nsuo.
Kumase de asem da wo de wo perfect famachi. Me ade a mempa ne ntro.
Okay.
Anya sa de betimi manante. Aha, ade a mempa o mabrabo mu an ntro nse me kasa me nsuro.
Betimi ni manante.
Aha, nti Kumase se obetimi afro obi a bisa ne se. Betimi abonya ko ni din wa.
Me ba no twa wo win nam 1 week.
Exactly. O kangam board ho. Wo se papa no won fi onko. Anya sa odi nsonkro nsuo.
Hey,
Captain.
Ago.
Captain, me try me nwa be maso because me pese ebedu ebe na yensem na ntumi kan na ko se nya bre na
ya
betia
ya kan ni na ma kan de o kan ma akoma ba ho wate nyabte asanu akoma me ma hye
enti no ye bobo
Gambro na ye den a
Gambro say music rights organization Ghana Music Rights Organization ya ko ye say ye ekuo wo ho a wo mo gigi sika dia ma man dey sika no ma chichiama adwumtofo collect and distribute, that is it. Any call mandate
mo dwan so mo gigi adwumtofo sika no mo chema
from the users like radio stations, television stations, the users and blah 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 blah, spinners and all that, hotels and all that. No, what that is your call mandate. Gigi sika no every 6 months biano na chichama adwumtofo. That is a mandate of Gambro.
Trust me.
So enti Miami kan eye papa ya asema American ye BB Collins yi metumi aka say so kokoma ase na okobisa ade a obi anim enti so wotie sansem nyina na so hwe sika e ba Gambro ho ene emu enchichaye esa odwe ho a wonte ase ye Ujwa captain nsem ne bi wo aye won nsem echinchenche wa hase
wo de wo na mama akosua so ahyase aboamane na ba na wabesi na chi
ye de to ha na no me call Ivy the 1 week because kofodua
Ivy Stone
wo Ivy ye nsie ne kra
musician ya de ben na o 20 oba yimu time ye time yi papa lady first lady Salata mo time yeah na Ivy Stone
yes me call na years me call 1 week and ye no kra de anya ye odaso shema ye nsie ye ehone na me nya ntia say yes wo yare kra no ye nya oba ba ko e ka musicians wo a otu anamon call Gambro say oh se de omunu aba ne yare ni mu ayeden wo mo akakra emo ya mo de man say section of encrophobia aggrieved ya musician de Gambro court 20 no enya dia and they also suggested mamene kan ho bi enti enya dia won be mane sika no e mo na akwakoya Avistone
na ya mo nyum
bisane bi se biom
okay
enti nsem dia doso bebre enti mema akosia abamne no
oji ye so sa na wakume na wakume
yo we de mechia motiefo nyina na machia musicians e wo Ghana na mde ya consoma ye nuano mo mafrim ababaye photo a de Gambro for their to my finfin say gone but not forgotten omabomode ade omato gone but not forgotten nenso omotiase no omo forget omo Rama Bedu koy
Rama Bedu CK man Raf Kakari patron ne ya
de no bo base no Raf Kakari no otu obonyum nso odoma meso nko ono kwa no boy base no obonyum bebre Raf Kakari abonkofo nyum bebre or your old time musician bia ye kind of Kakari wa also ni Raf Kakari na oboa ono so ko ono so ko Papa Yansen ko
me Joel na ya me
Joel aka ko pa bobo ko hwe ko omu na yare ni ohia enoku omo yes yare eni ohia Papa Yansen ba bewu no ye twire de na ko stage so otunwum ya santwe na free stage so because na papa ni yare Joelaka ame kessing for TV so anke ankoma ni
Dabi oyeden
obe kessing for TV so ne bufu mo be kasa e kessing for enom di me kam dem envelope ko share papa ni nsem enso still papa ni wi enso papa ni wi free wi ase na me pa cho nyom to forecast e mane e me de ye wo sika papa na section bi enom ma dwun so mo de omo bedi ni pa bro be ye ni abro ena omo di o Gambro na me akoso Japan de for the information the repeat no me akosia e ma stop it me because me so me nyini and I mean person me man on person music and I say the Dutch num for no mo me di hia enim gwase sa wofa se kasi musicians mo ye bibi na musicians embra ubo moto any bicycle any trotro any taxi ewu ye be see free mu dia ba ye be grant or car down the be free di free ase e dan how much crampo e o car tie ko bi ye nto bi da enso ye wo sika now abama ye sika mecha se free o abama is ke be find a blank levy Aban. Yes, since 2012 they start here. I find a blank levy. Now blank levy no. So for the recordable stuff, but to say CDs ni pen drives na. Omo de ba. Aban ni dia. Your percentage be omo de ma. Fence enyum to 4. Any book writers amu temi book writers mu temi a. Musiama muska oton. Timunko di echiri. And sana fence asok your revisions say movies for ne sanko for so almost scan your movie na say na echeni first ala Carlos mo no na Carlos mo gi 45% out of the total na asok for 32% na book writers are 11% and no ya fa anko parliament bia Mimi ko resolution say e was say any san ko yinchumba no omo agree 28% each for bia including FSM book writers ni asok for na me ko resume ka chere me say me fan ko parliament na am saying ne ha mo tama mo accept mo de ko parliament na sika ni bi ni aban sika ne ba total no eba 9 million
and you year ben
me pa che ne 2015
year tremi
9,587,793.35 na say no mo che no
de binya botro na che say
95 billion
we dey emfa de gweche
emfa 95 billion
and 2015 kwa Ghana ba ma 95 billion
na billion yo ye mate look the chase can man 287,633.80
o man 2 billion so be chase can
me one no any agreement ni
me ntia say so aban de sika ma me no wa wo be che na ma me no so man 2 billion from the 95
na tan free mu Ghana revenue for FR 366,000 that's 3 billion copyright office FR 549,000 copyright office then me bisantia santia ada ban hwemo e na mo santia sika yi bi ono kan se sika na money ho na so kwa ekon mayehu because eni abre and JCCMO joint CMO for no no almost 1,676,273 and they go so and their car no and on much musicians
a car be say
me pacho their car in a car 6,708,869.67 now when I me call this information me ko na gamro ya chro minus 153,750,000 that means omu 1,530,000 every gamro for there so now be some say why some beji loan
am there
me pacho me call Abraham ko bisa no gamro say hey oga yesika no mayi 1.5 billion free so when here or some de koto car
dey
me pacho yenim o man free meeting nothing entino me pacho enu die ni me pacho ebisa by
anu say year ben
2014 enu no na I find say Carlos mo ebe free so omu yom ama receivers manager se bae entino ska mo cheye no gamro for enya 1 million
let me aban de brem total na
7 million 502,000 420.202 yeah my liquidator 225,000
who titini na be car saying
ebe car 6 million 797,000 yes and no yeah nya 1,925,000
out of the 6 million
no, almost fine almost culture activities no only is 679,000 ba kono krama mo culture activities anchiro ba kono culture activities no omuyi eno no omuyi 915,000 culture activities
the more yeday
yenim wafa yenim ene eni abri na betra hanum no culture ele bo hanu nya nam troe 915 culture activities ena CMO building no omuyi 457,000 as Rex mo ko gina takwa de ka say omu niska because omu sidan SS kan sika ho eni omuyi building eno omuyi ye yi free sika na sakwa na ya che ansakwa na che sika na ma eni asa na yen sika nya nso wa ofa ba kun so e ba eni
eni ye yi aben
ɛno yɛ ɛno nso yɛ 2016 saa
2016 yeah
and 2016 I actually ɛno no gamrofo nya
total na buy ne
total ne 9,285,000
okay
0.551.15
okay 0.551.16
16 bacho mbacho ɛno no
tete no be nya asen
ye benya total ne benya 6,733,881
okay
mbacho ɛno no gamrofo yenya 2,244,627 that is 22 billion.
Okay,
the question is says kanina afahin sika bi bae omukoye refund
that's 67 billion ba kokko another 67 billion ba kokko and a 67 billion ba kosoko okay Semo cash pa
because 67 billion anya de 22 billion
eka ho
2 million na make 22 billion it is go
and I'm out hey me it is kadam chase
me that's oh na sense ka bi bae ama ayi fancy omucho letter koy say request for refund of amount set aside to settle Cosga debt but omu per refund because omu anya fan koy ampanso anti ya actual letter koy eni ocho letter koy no ye de ma omu Emma joint CM for no koji sa 100,000 no question is where is that money actually omu koji says kanu omu anche dem de sika ne ye Inkofo ni wo time ani abre no eni kwan se wuhia partial spinners bi Ghana we have over 3,000 spinners in Ghana
hey one mo bonum we yi ase ne wedding ne
ade do 10 regions na there was 3,000 spinners obi etua 250 Ghana yes penalty ni kra my penalty po de jara omo di 250 Ghana
maybe ati no hu
me hu papa that the mani abre akase me share glasses na akase masa
sir spinners makoma ko 3,000
me pacho an
obi atua
250 Ghana cedis
mama say ye no mo nyama me must teacher wuntem
entino why should musicians die poor hotels and restaurants
every year
every year hotel and restaurants they my if any say go for my iska go for si come the my and pacho be bam the ma go for my iska in dollars ye call AGM program e wo Kumasi and me bisa almost say go $4 no me bisa say go $4 no e wa hifa go $4 no wa hifa almost say go phone tweske bia say go for tweske bia mom and I'm so okay go phone tweske bia ma wo dia and me pa ocho bebre ma me bisa masem bi o go for ayi mo akasa mu nipa a friend Jonathan Kujo that time na me Jonathan Kujo information no and me konya information so Jonathan Kujo oya administrator e wo Gamro ho no atro go for no aka kire o say they say new administration na aba into almost say account number no
okay
and na wa me hwehwe bandex no me ko agree say Google for moms ke bia na me ko sham say bandex je na mo ankasa administrator crash your letter say this account number needs to change to this account number na new kofoaba and no say if any say aye no one
na chese na bandex nim
me don ponchi no nim last 2015 December o man chia musicians ka o de nya boche me ya kire no 2015 December o man chia musicians ka na ko share bandex so mo sister radio station bi and I say bandex mo ntua ka akosua sikeni ho 190 them che 1,900,000 bi na buy no ma che ewie ama sikebi eni ho na am say na me pa che wo Carlos mu free ho no agriculture ADB bank na wadanso ma no ya ko check ho ya ko ye no na omuja 5,400,000 Ghana that's 5,400,000 omuja to account no bandex say egusu account omu ntachi na mbo modern akoye me investigations na mkoto say aka 40,000 per account nim
oh how
that is aka 400 million per account nim e wala me be shia Abraham omu station ha
5 billion no
5 billion no
1,000,000
aka 40,000 and I'm ko share I'm say hey Abraham me ko share o boss station ma ko see 5 billion no e wo account nim na fe de ma ko check enim Oh, Abraham, so Yadika 1,900,000 no HMA musicians. Yes, Daddy. Sessing. And I'm saying to officer Muwano, Obia do pay. Way assist can account in him. Once you say, their case can watch Hamaye, to musicians Nyahi. Daddy, musicians need between 100 Ghana, 50 Ghana for royalties. Yes. 120 Ghana.
Sir, I drove in this near man 50 Ghana.
Daddy, me say that is how much Gamro follow to one almost years I buy my scar.
Now you fit accurate but obeji 50 Ghana.
Obeji 50 Ghana. Amma say no musicians ya ha. Na denti abakra say e wo mo say the case ni kokot me fa court de ne meka wansa. But emomo no de Rex man ni dom ye ho no. Ah yo say kosi Japan and her gang no. Me pa ni cho bebre. Adele koso airtime as a film. Musicians shouldn't die poor. Shefa kwana ye de che obi because fa kana do wuye. Erama bedu ye call last AGM meeting. Me nam den time came didn't be see run about over Ejuso. Na pe bi man me de fa ka e call ni class.
Erama bedu.
Yes. I find some moto na no mo bom semma omo akasa enu no mo no mo say omo ma old one omo old men no 100 Ghana a month. Aye, welfare. Welfare cropping no muso mo ya ho no. Omo ma 100 Ghana a month to older musicians.
Anti emphasis and Kerama bedu ti ase aka
100 Ghana. Aye. So Daddy, what Gamro is doing, no, they are hurting musicians. They are killing musicians because a common D and call for yare. And so at the end of the day, no, who be says guy say, yache. Now, remember me papa bem, Omukoji loan. I hear from him. Omukoji loan. Now loan, my daddy, I say, yeah, my auditors. Also be found to minja homano. Ye my auditors call mo so. Na let me be so assembly mpacho. Receipt am the church we. Say the same thing metie for. The receipt am church.
Okay.
But the same
Mesha sisi
sure. Omo different receipts. And omode ma ankofo.
Ghana Music Rights Organization Gamro.
Receipt back no.
Okay. And away there Gamro.
And it's another receipt. Receipt back.
And a true win so.
And a bill grandpa omo kasa no omo to me my receipt bia Gamro bia ni soro. Be ni soro. It is not fair. And to say only test buy and question is say receipt dear he. Receipt dear na daddy omo de mom tell omo fa audit omo because you have different receipts. Today na mo de chere say original receipts for Gamro. Wow. The first as a film or the mother paying Cassana on Casabina meant Dwaso.
Yeah, Captain. I won't say, see, I'm sharing common arsenal. Meba hobium. Now, me person Simbia Beckham Hano. Person me the evidence at home.
I know him.
And I say, me Casake. Now, Mesha CC. Emra na me wo ho no me hu say na krono ne ketasehye ne kankan bi ikoso enti
yemu start anyum tomu so krono na ba ho
yes enti yemu bi start say
yakopon pam Satan
good yemu bi start say ye be kasa ho enti e ba say eniama ese ye no mama ho kwa ma ya enti ye fi office on ba me start ni say onim say odumtuni na nampedu ani 99 others and they Carlos led administration e court. And you call human right court, you know. Ruling by that is on the 11th July 2014. Before I had you call sa court, you know, na obo no cardboard humbi. By the call, you know, obo can say yes. Charges on the bomb, you know, or peneso. No more affidavit also any. Say or swear affidavit, he said, ampa or tenor of office na asun. Womu free or the nemo so mo kwa nkrofo pese wo me bagamru ho mba be yejumas receiver managers no womudini Nana Abuaji da Costa composer Kwame Insia Apple performer Enoch Ejepon producer
Kwame Insia Apple mu ni pakro Ochame Kwame
okay
Ochame Kwame
so we hu ni pakro
na one representative from Attorney General office and that of what copyright office and the copyright of nyanya one lady be a friend Habada and Attorney General office no senya my be a friend is Akwi and you omo no mo ye 5 member omo ye receiver managers omo ba ho a won ba gigi sika in fact emra omo ba ho no na ye were radio stations omo tue sika in terms of check e de ba ho hotels etua television stations tua spinners tua na se ne sika e wo ho pa na anwanwasem e wo ho ni e wo ho na ye ko pie document use say almost omo ba be elections Gambru for say omo ba be elections yenti womu koji loan aya 50,000 500 million mbacho document ni na onya kwa ni nsa hye loan ase no Abraham ni sorry your friend is simple Aboje da Costa ono na nsa hye loan ase but uhwe the terms and conditions of the loan na baby ase fem kakra ne kire say Abraham ono no ya administrator by then but ordinary car and ekosi so as a collateral security ema Gamro obia oh awa ha metumi aka kire o
David tsenka multimedia kwache besia
na CEO no
na
administrator no
na yemfan sa abu anase me na medemeka kosia wo ama multimedia
terms and conditions na wa ha see into ordinary car na ekoye but say in event say Gamro entumi entua kana ma wonya akomkoji loan no ho
na wa phone no kana
Gamro property
ridiculous 7 engines so be so do not connect
in the event of default of non-payment of the loan and or the interest thereof the lender shall exercise his right to seize any property belonging to Gamro
precisely
and sell them to satisfy any outstanding amount owned.
Mentia say 50,000 Ghana cedis.
I'm telling you.
Debbie Tobo.
Good.
Say
ode mame kind
Debbie say 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Good.
Ena yakwaje. Ena so wentime ntua. Apart from say the car ye collateral you know. Yen sanso NCZ. Gambro mo japade nyina.
Terms and conditions. But really mame kind says in nchiro. Or say that the loan facility shall be secured by personal vehicle document of the administrator of Gamro, and the said document shall be deposited with the lender as what security for payment. And a one assist ne eba say that the loan facility shall be secured by blah 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 blah. Okay, 7 no occurs interest no, and my kind 7 did na. And yen hwe obi o administrator na ordinary personal car akoko guarantee as a collateral security. No the agi loan na efechi o ka kire wo say in case of default na say wo ntumi entua o na ko na o di sika ne mom no omra no Gamro as an institution and as organization no otumi sizi ni japade bia aton ehon na mi hu say frakadam ene krono bi ekoso na captain loan no mo je ni 2015 date ni February 6 2015 and I'm koji loan. Where financial statement Gamro for prepare 2015. Financial statement. Captain Wuti me.
Me too pa.
Sa uba ha aya pay 20 no. Ami say adum to 4 we be nti omo kwa wo metumi aya 2015. Odum to ni bia wo tie me no. Wo 2015 financial reporter
Gamro fana kasa prepare the
man na muntie ne ekoso e uko page 20 na or say blank levy received and na 1,928,163 na say tete uhwe mo na say 19 billion any sika Gamro fo nyaaye
na bind the man
na hwa yero wo sama wo mu ni uba e kire wo say less election cost Captain, what's your media?
Metiopa.
Last election cost, that's 150,000 and it's 1.5 billion.
Debbie, Mark Wajebesia 50,000.
Yes.
What kind of agreement?
Good.
Somebody no koya election.
Exactly.
Na mwenye sikana mukotuya.
Yes.
Na 50,000 no. I am presa.
150,000.
150,000.
500 million no akwaya 1.5
billion in your.
Aya kan billion.
Yeah.
Billion.
Na akwaya 1.5 billion.
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 Enti ehon ye hu say no. Krono bi eden ekoso ho. Enti me de nkrofo bi kura no ma from say ana ma tag him say omo ye professional thieves. You know why?
Hey,
I'm telling you. Sure, Gamro wo ho no. Fortunately for some of us, no, since the inception of Gamro,
professional thieves.
Yeah, yeah, we were bank statement, you know, before Carlos left. All right, we have transactions mean our bank statement right. The huge transaction per our bank statement no 60,000 yedima ya Osborn. Okay? 60,000 yedima ya Osborn. Now onim anwanwade a woman say one more bomb edited the books of Gamru no. 60,000 yen to me and Tracy up to date that we speak. From 2015.
Basa, baby, I tell me so me.
Me who
as someone can meet you.
Me who The institutions are there, the banks are there, they cannot lie.
60,000 Ghana cedis, 600 million.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And this is it. And now can Opoku Esiedu.
Allahu Akbar.
Can Opoku Esiedu. No, former Gapi boss. But then na your husband maker Nasemi, no general secretary ho. Enti or the Gapi din and a koji says can fee can set you or that's 600 million. Enti me nya information no. Papa ne frɛ me. Na me say papa, me yan friend try anti me o. Na me ne trans here. And me money proof ni na say Debbie. Sadi obetro akokoma Abraham. This is the letter that he wrote to Abraham.
To ask some person this come.
This is the letter.
I can Opoku Esiedu chairman Ghana Association of Phonographic Industry contacted you, Mr. Ajete, some months back on the allegation that Gambro paid some money to Yao Osborn, General Secretary, to purchase land for the association. Your answer was, it's not true.
Good.
I have been furnished of some more details. I therefore ask that you confirm or otherwise. Bank ADB, check number 103208, reference number CGIN 1409108893, check number GH 60,900 and Bruce 60,000.
Yes, Bruce 60,000 million round figure.
60,990.93. Date 1st April 2014. System inward clearing and it's just a passion.
Abba, Mr. Unya accounts in the whole inward clearing
drawer and Yao Osborn.
Yes.
Please act immediately. As you said, Gambro account is on your laptop. Regards, Ken Opoku Esiedu, Gapi chairman.
Up to date, no cry. On respond here, or say no cry. But God being so wonderful, no. Me call ADB.
Okay.
Some baby I'm transfer scanning na corner. I have those details because of you per se you trigger some legal actions ibintini and you may be one here then e dey ate na dey wo muni what Jesus say captain accounts be any from 2015 16 17 up to 2018 no I reflect wo even to the point say auditors report attorney general na Emma auditor no audited the books of Gamru enuni
auditors
so sure. There's nowhere as 60,000 appear say wobeje na money or platform bi so ayekasa and also sika no beje but later on jumtufo no say asase ne they are not interested and you chiche obi esika ma no am say how chiche obi esika ma no saying what is the proof say what chiche say sika na ma san krofo no
na say check na wo ho na nye individuals check
exactly and you utumi hu say frakadam bi e wade enum na wonim me di bibi ampese me di bibi kakra support no say your husband ya kan wonu no say head of tax force or your coordinator national coordinator no say head of tax force na wonim this is 2018 annual report and accounts
one of the man
yes one more
Gamro fund chairman
2018 annual report and accounts
okay
say obi a odwumtu ni bia o tue mi bia no ko na ko bie
page saying
page 31
okay
page 31 nyantobase a eniama wo mti ebet nyantobase na ma adwumtofo umate ase
okay
because this is 2018 wo ba o say task force operations 2017 no ya Osborn 38,000 that is 380 million so one fine
adwuma
and no podium media ho no po hia me papa
so de koye adwuma
but 2018 no I want the hear me. The money 88,745.50 Ghana cedis. And it no 880 million. And the man 880 million the man.
Okay.
Na adum 12 me so bien tie me. Ye be bie page bi. Na ma kire mu ade bi wo ho. Ade a me pese me kire mu.
Page den.
Anu ye page 15. am brochure no.
The same document.
The same document.
2018.
Page 15.
Okay.
Ube say user payment details June to December 2018.
Okay.
Good. Uhwehwe mwa na oba under public performance no uhwehwe mwa na oba ba beto task force.
Okay.
Task force. Okay. Task force no be hu say sika wo no aye 28,925 Ghana cedis. In percentage wise no aye 1.83%.
Oh, that be opening share tifi I am man yes.
Yes I say.
We yes I take for crab because smart adan. Na one man kosi. Sir, oh. Again. Oh. What be say am point how dey catch me.
Me pese adwumtufo hu.
Say woman me 88,880 million.
Me wo
yes. Now makwaji 200 million.
280 million.
This is the report. Enya me na America. Woman kasa gamrofo.
Anam di chema yen. Yen yakoye.
Enya me na dos where airline copyright we na me crow ane. Who read the copyright act now?
Can mo bonanya scan kitinki.
Copyright act now. Or partner will say. You cannot take more than 30% for administration. But per calculation, you know, they've taken more than
50%.
48%. Okay, brochure we are. And I report with this financial statement. They've taken more than 48%.
I say one ma Captain Smart 1 million. Sefa kwa yejuma. Na famfa swobra. Na Captain Baya. No abro 20 Ghana.
Don't na se nyaka na de. Atonsuom.
Na hu. We me yasa na me kofa previous ones ne ba no ate ase adikode e koso.
Okay.
Ye free bi say court filing. Unsa gamrufo no kodwantwi na me o tapes bi wa me de ma. Kodwantwi ka say ne nyansem na so kofa lawyers wo miensa. Any two administrators by say and come between me aboa no magidi sika no achema adwumpo. But oma disappointing a big time.
Recording
no my yen take resuma. By your business ye be attacking na. Yen take the two lawyers, the three lawyers and that of the two administrators. It's on record. That's what Kodwantwi said. Me the tape no be.
And Rex, them lawyers and administrators.
Yes.
Administrators in your one where.
Administrators ni say na ba kwa kwesi yo Jonathan Kujo.
And Abraham Ajete.
Abraham Ajete be ye Abraham.
Mo Abraham Ajete.
So ha de ne o ne.
Mo dia do no ba ha no.
Na wonim hwangon asemo. You say court filing fee nkwa show. As the year 2017 only 3,500 and a court filing. By show the year 2018 44,500
court filing by
I don't know mo court case say.
I don't know.
Any court case crompo mo go file.
Minim okay minim case do na fa ba also case bro mo there. 45,000 any a filing case.
Any a filing. And then we have something called legal fee. Legal fee, you know, as at 2017, we moved to 54,000 as legal fee. And about 2018, so we moved to 58,725 Ghana cedis.
580 million.
With the chance million na mo bo no e ya do so mani so mo mama ni so ebere me hu so bia send me message bi on my phone pacho yi bo first one na me we say 400 and saying
emu dia enfa
filing
court filing 44,500
44,500
that's 540 million
na same bium
and a legal fee no and 58,725 Ghana cedis
25 Ghana cedis
as of 2018
enti 2018 court nkwa mo koe no e 1.3 billion
achoi ai afere sambo petrol no ne
anam na sambo faje asamu aju betrem
so enti enyema ni bi wo ho a wo dwen ho a hwe Mamin kasem bi nkyere wa ha krans yakọ. Ye free bi say fuel and lubrication.
We dem patcho mamin fa we ntum. Patcho ya bo modern a me producers are ya there. I have the best team. Say Ibenya eye Abraham, Rex Oma, and Prince Chega. But unfortunately, yintimi nya obi to respond. Ye guso aye frɛ. Omo fe pa Omo fa omo phone pepa.
No problem. Sure, it's so interesting. Me say obi adum tuni bia 2018. Yes.
Onukra PR no gusu ye. If you say no, your husband akọ PR.
Yeah.
And no ben press. I don't think so no gusu PR.
Fuel and lubrication as of 2017. 39,164.
Afini na.
Yes.
20.
Now cars say.
Uber I don't know. Now Uber the cars Gamro cars in not so. Gamro will not have more than 5 cars.
Uber 2018 now.
2018 no. 92,000.
Yeah.
759.65 Ghana cedis.
Cut it scano. 920 million. Yeah.
And here fuel and lubrication. Fuel and lubrication. Wow. And fuel and lubrication. Young coffee bibi I said traveling and transportation.
Local. And also you're saying.
And so bad the year 2017. I have 43,444 Ghana cedis.
2018 now.
Debbie. Says saying.
I don't know.
Fuel. Any lubrication. Say fuel you go come near the 2 coin.
And lubricate.
Now you are some short transportation.
Captain, when we had the says they spend more than 45 as the law stated. No, they spend more than that.
And also, I'm a professional day.
Thieves.
Okay.
Because the reason why bank statement war, ADB bank statement war. Na ye 60,000. Na obia any inward clearance. Na administrator wo na yakoko bisano. Na the evidence a kire no. Na administrator na ka kire wo say. Bibisa NC. Na uhwe auditors report ni nyina ma from 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18 no and reflect your baby a.
I know me can auditor general report bi a. Okacho mo say omo receipt bi nsisi anim na.
Oh, ni nyina wo ho. But one am ka say ensem na dawson. Because se benya platform say be kan na
time kakra hoko.
Good. Entini de wo ho no. Na some aka we na kire traveling and transportation no. After repair and maintenance. As of the year 2017 no, 33,000 Ghana cedis, that's 330 million. And at the same thing,
baby, I know who me.
Me pa, Captain, one out here. Captain, one out here.
Nkufu wo senye din.
Anti enu na wo ho.
Adam Okana fifi asema week bi amoye body works ana.
I don't know. They are just living like Arabian kings amoye den. Wo mo madum to for ebre. Because under normal circumstances is mind boggling say obi a wato dwom, wako studio, akoye dwom, videos ni ade na a whole 6 months.
Where it is simple to find studio.
A whole 6 months
100 Ghana.
No more 134 Ghana.
Look at that studio be.
No be so 50 Ghana.
Yes.
Be 40.
Meanwhile, your lawyers are every month be a mom 5,000. And the 3 lawyers saying
15,000.
15,000 times 12 in a year saying.
There be Sasanka, your lawyer multimedia ha na ketu aso chen costume.
That is it.
Na me adwuma ya media na ma me 100 Ghana. Na ya ma de say asamba.
Asamba time ampo
50 million.
Bawo anka nansem no. Anka Gamro ekofa lawyer anka ndi so engage lawyers now or betu monthly paying so say anka every month be a year.
So asen when?
Yes.
Because we know be a
organization bi edi obi ka. Ana say company bi di Gamro ka na so wo mutumi nya. Na nka o ma eden. Na nka lawyers na akọ mutumi gi a ye be ma this percentage. Anu bi asa amba o. But we dey ye dey omutu constant payroll so. Ene ye den ye twa omoka. Na captain e bia ye mu bi yanko school enu echiri ntino e bia na wabo aye kakra. Fane say obi ewa ha no nkwa kura 5 positions onya kwa America na asemi meka Jonathan Kujo na oye adwuma ewo ye friend sample MTN no ye senior staff no ye senior staff na mame more report no. That is 2015 memo report in any financial statement in me babe kind.
And now I'm a musician so be obi kuta copy.
Yes. And where 2015
page saying
page 15.
Okay.
And I'm babe kind. What kind human resource a bad down one. I say the management team is led by Ibrahim Ajete, Chief Executive Officer. and Mr. Jonathan Kujo, General Manager 1, who also double as head of administration 2, with additional responsibility for licensing 3, and a legal 4. Over 2018, so your status say Osaye secretary. Ufa show your status was say Osaye secretary. Any secretary.
And also a page say
yes. I need a page 23 2018 report.
Don't want the
man page 23. And you know Jonathan Kujo no Osaye.
And somehow can we be a phone line? Melissa, one bedroom.
Oh, and then I make catch on. These are the copies that were given to me.
Because me, Papa Bona, you say you must you good.
You bet Frobia balance, so be back Casano and
in if you obia on crack 5 positions. You shall hook up a pepe, your money legal allowances, per diem near dear. What you can quite here? I want to say, what you can quite money per diem, and I'm saying, hey, baby, a gum road, no. I fed dear, almost to meet you per diem. And more will be our Juma or Gamru. Yes, Miss Says, can I hear no to me?
Operation license, no, be hot now.
Maybe operation license in the actual. Maybe operation license in the actual. Yeah. But there may be operation license in the actual. As a move, our himpo.
Operation license.
I need. Share Obia Okra book, Nibia, Uncle page 28. 2008 annual report and accounts.
Don't be mine and see.
The percent will be a konokoshe. Uko page 28 now. Ube say actual income and expenditure accounts for the year ended 31st December 2018. Now uba asiano omacho license revenue. Captain Utieme. License revenue. When blank levy
and blank levy
2 things. We have blank levy that comes from the government. And they are different. And a license revenue is say mon has a multimedia. Not mutual bibidia magambru no. Okay. Yes, and no. And as business and hotels, television stations, any idea no. Users no. Any friend is a license revenue. Now, one more jiji sikani nyina as of 2017 no. What they may find into me back 2008.
Boy, Lucy no sumu edu. Boy, Lucy no.
2017 no. 2017 no. Woman ya 4 million.
We have 4 million eh.
Yeah, 4 million. 597,000.17.
4 million is kind of saying.
And then they say 40 billion here, Chiri.
Captain. How much did you 40 billion? 2017. Yeah, license revenue no. 2018 how much you saying?
2018 no, how much 4,278,905.05 Ghana.
Like I say saying 42 billion.
42 billion. Okay.
One of them
brochure no more. It's so interesting. Natural baby. Your friend said performance at glance. Jonathan Kujo na oda hai. And to share sika wo mo gigi as licensing. And no atro no no matro. And so be na boni ti no
licensing.
And or say this is the money, the revenue that they receive so far. No more be friend said direct member contribution. Let's say sika wo mo cheche e de maajum to for no. Sika wo mo cheche de maajum to for 2 million. 100 and
saying I'm saying
4 million and I'm 2 million.
No, 2 million.
2 million. No, I'm ebi. Edema, I'm 485
Ghana.
Edema, Ghana. Edema welfare. Calculation. No, so far Gamro. They are saying say Gamro membership they have 4,450. That is what they are saying. And the captain, Yanko school cry a bono.
Most of them 4,450.
One statement. Almost 4,550. And the Woody Amount bon crano. Fasesikawe, direct distributed. Nafa divided, Navia say, or do to be
800 Ghana, Meba.
Yes, I'm going to make 800 Ghana. That calculation, Navia say,
license and the other cry.
I know quo, and your blank levy.
And Sabine, the number
exactly.
Baby 100 ni 120 ni 50
and you can
Ghana.
Just imagine and you may also and your next or to be 50 Ghana and I said 134 Ghana na so o twa adwadwo a na ye ya onim ne ntia ma amfo ni abre say emna Carlos no ho no obi o the least person no nyama wa any 400 Ghana cedi 4 million emna Carlos 5 years down the line.
Oh sir,
I'm telling you.
Carlos such time.
I'm telling you. Musicians don't pay line. Woman na be kasa.
Na say mo je say.
Obiti 120 need to.
Your mom 134.
Need 200.
Opa fra Sebu Amenfi. Opa fra Sebu Amenfi sisi ya.
Papa na no kasa na ni abre no pa mo.
Opa fra Sebu Amenfi. We don't say onya 230.
On friend na Bokman on friend.
Me say Sebu Amenfi onya 230 Ghana cedis. Eh? Asebu Amenfi, mi timu biom, onya 230 Ghana. Ewo Asebu Amenfi o for 6 period of 6 months. Adai. Ube so pa wo ne na ma friend sisi ane bi say Asebu Amenfi say, ahe, en wo nya ya na.
Hwe me pa chansa na be Asebu meba. Hwe di ente first giba members. Giba for jijis kamaye. And I give a first some mommy for me come mommy on mommy who's called Modiama. Full final payment for 2014-2015 Gambo fees no. Mama 5,000. That's 3.5 billion. Mama 40,000. That's 400 million. Mama 50,000. 500 million. Mama 100,000. That is 1 billion. Mama 50. Mama 92,000. That's 920,000. Mama Muska. Give a for Jijiska, Gambo Fossi, give a for Jijiska, Tom no Muja Juma, and Tom Wabba Jijiska. And so Kokuma say at the radio station a free Bandex and Numto, or some boy, you bet you call me think of one about say they can't collect the money. Now, to collect 1.5 billion Cotocano. I come to go ahead. What we collect this cano, to what wedding. What to what edge day? I'm musicians and they obey war. Obingu no over to a year gamma for Bayo. Or Baconi would dear more from Tuma, no obey a year, no Baconi Tiasia. Comfort and no baby or air, no sus, let's say, or pescato drew. Where? Comfort and no. There are two, as I first say, and assassin, Bachawai, Bachawai, or Betra El Suso Pescato, 2 weeks time I'm in the free. I fancy or for better musicians almost die of sickness and poverty. Oh my can't say me boy. Oh my can't say me boy. It is not right. It is not right. Oh my friend say
Nana Bokman, so Nana, good morning.
Fine morning.
Mpocho not today.
Nyamena dumo.
Pocho buam kakra so what kada Nana Bokman or Yahwana.
Nana Bokman, you'll be a more takrade, me a musician, be a right owner.
Okay.
And from more by 8 to 9 albums on my credit.
There were 8 albums.
Yes.
Mpacho maminteo.
And more all cordon, honestly, share me poucho, munim, a duntiba or fan kakeku.
Martin is in the banana be
Onyama
Jin Minion Copa.
Even time Yanama paying and Kuma or when ya visitors crampa on the warfare more can entertain visitors.
Okay.
Sisiala royalties Sikaodia. 230 Ghana.
Uncle, some okay.
Me come from that down.
230 Ghana.
Yes.
Bosumesia.
Yes. Share munim musician be our friend Papa Johnson. Found 2 member
Mediano.
Odru time bia na neniwa glaucoma. Nti no pedal hospital. Man make jan gambo what catch and escape ho. Time I ba mikitani sim. No catch him there. Nana tell you wo de ofanyimu. Man chase and do 1 week. Na Papa Johnson owi.
Oh.
Papa Johnson abre yase na kwa entry from tuma bobo mediano captain nti asɛm na wɔka no wɔ hɔ no ɔyɛ serious asɛm na ayɛ dɛ yɛntu wakyekyere yɛn nsa wɔdze egu yɛn akyi nti captain yɛsrɛ asɛm na wɔka no wɔn mmɔden na wɔn take no serious na nhwɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛwuwu nkokɔ hwɛ meyɛ anim bi awɔwɔdɔ 92 for ordnance state competition actually na me ton 24,000 copies.
Oh, 1994.
92.
Hey, how's it 20, Papa?
Yes. 92. Yes. Say, I will woman who will for and show you me 1990.
I want a toy.
Yes.
I mean, who want to mean or don't qua.
Thank you. And
so I was on no Quabba 2000 or obey.
Oh, I said that now, Obi the mayor at Joanna.
What mobile 20 million Biana?
Share 200.
About some like uncle.
Oh, uncle. Tell my color set you on. No, 1,200.
Wow. Kalosech
man beno me kasia 300
abai Kalosech the time nenya 1,200.
Oh uncle mun number din na wa ma nyipa ayo kasa what's Carlos no what the sika Carlos no me Carlos no administration nye number din na wana wa administration nye mpo yetum yedidi nende wa bandam ono ne yepede yo hu kakwa de ha wo ba kache mun kofi de woli sidan woli yedei na wo ma mun kofi na wo so item de said I mean ikunu ni progress wa do sa no kwalpa na America na minyim de so woli sidan pa anye sika o de yenyeni enti uncle
brother
oyayo I don't know sisi amuwe binyam ko nanso me no biala no ko kama samaten me yeli me defom since 2000 na abesika wasora wase ejuma ye ni yade ya asansa bra yamfa nya asansa bra na hwede se eyeli from 2000 na sa up to now sika yin na ategu wa ebotum was sustain wa up to now abeja padina wa enter na because so u kalitima na mbacha u kalka ntiri wa mo abandan na administration wa baby honestly for pede yin na musicians na yewu na hon wa tenase
Nana Bachman mama me ron ho mpocho aw yentwa do wa ha ya ai
mama che
pocho yentwa do wa ha
building no so musi no sanam kwa ka kire amanfo ba me de kire wa ha se abansika no de maye no omo te building sika ni free and sana ne aka no en ne dinya sa 22 billion no nka ho no ya tie wie no tombo sika omo te for building no and sana ne aka no enti ne sika no le building no.
Yeah. Mesaba ho, mesaba ho. MTN se men kan cho se bomode se wo browse yi. Bon pese mo hu ye wo Facebook time bia no. Wo ye 115 Ghana cedis. Be browse sa abedwa. O bedwa la. Be browse sa bebre. MTN, we did for you everywhere you go. Awake purified drinking water and so on. So no no near this can be so be ade. Tietime di kan kra 1 million Ghana cedis. Eko National Cardiothoracic Center on Tishan and Sosa. Casapreco Company Limited na deaba. Friend was 0262 351 251. Shelf was brunya no hey ye die wi eyede. New Year no so ye wurem ayede de abante bia ye friend no Tabi Richard or Trotro Devil Kumase. Abante we wa wene car mono chiao say team. on me famine trambi na da meba kuma se no megia kopa aboate megia ko plus 2 manya sa kodwa samoa owosunyane ne wadi moto na Florence waji TV wa mama hwebi wonso bomodian na kwaje wode na wode ne bia brame etuomu sa akosi bosumi ewie ye ne kasema wo mu ne se wura Shell filling station bia wode to fuel 100 Ghana enye nkofo edie na say 50 something thousand bia and a lubricant no more 300 something million no we dey say 4 liters per we dey 100 Ghana so do shop no man out wona akro no share club get more grace homeopathic clinic say yanka cho sebra oba ya so ya na ye hwewa edro pe na betuaka edro pe na betuaka bibia be yama bia ye free your medina catch up all last stop wa o friend 02000067500 grace homeopathic clinic, a mission from God for humanity. Answer na metro as me fast mo ntwem ma so be kaya Iran ni Iraq ni America for mo kayo ye ba ye Iran for ma Ukraine for warning sir almost suspect as omo hyimu ho as omo nhyimu ho anope ya sesi ya me no ka sei Ukraine plane and nipa 180 wom yase lande a crash wo Iran wo na ewu plane yase lande went me and lande omu nyina krana na
Captain
me wie ye nya betrema meba ho wate mpacho shana so biom so ma me Star Assurance wo ho pomodia said be ya dachi 70 pepe be do ho agija anya say musicians here mo ho ye insurance bi mo mpacho Star Assurance from koye bi mo na se kwabra ne party said na Bokman awuhuma na oboefu anya hwenyu wa me hu na weni age odonko a bosumi nsia bia the bus market has 200 Ghana cedis mun divide 200 by 6 mama why chese papa penny mo nteze wa anya careful that chese owu ba beto ebe how trouble beba we hear Star Assurance your solid partner fight or say memory da bia nwumre no nsia kosi nwumre no nso pomoda so be hwe Joy Prime ska 100,000 Ghana cedis so we musicians no die ni bia we hear fight or there na mo de bema clean bibia da no kwam na yetime di amount fe Vodafone so say unya 10 Ghana cedis a obinya 15 days na data nko asa 1.5 gig obe browse sa dial *700#. Share so sa Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready EcoBank so sebra yero ho antem so memfa ndi agro na bibia account a won fasika bi antum yentetew yebesa ma besia 200,000 Ghana cedis na odi atrewa adwuma no because eno ho adwuma na yeye free toll free number no 3225 and one on EcoBank, the Pan African Bank. Star Life Assurance say the Arabic to me abo who be to me see BBC when so I fear we enemy any the wo kan ho nyina no BBC when so na so wan hwa na bibi hu bi ababeton and so omo mu je wadamfo a don't matter wo montema na no a ebebo apa from 0302739600 Star Life, your solid partner for life. Fight on so the more rent fee memory da bia emri no nsia kosi enwumre no nso but more than a share so say obehwe Joy Prime. Fight all enriching lives on earth and talent for fulfilling dreams. Joy learning and so ewo ho ye channel back on multi TV digi box no so said the young kwada na ye de beche wono ma de nti more than a share so ye hyase 30 December no na wabo modia na chese no ano no Fabɛwɔso yi say Fabɛwɔso mra ne ye twem wo ho ne de akɔ pensem no ho ba Fabɛwɔso de vitamin ne Franco Trading and afei pensem no so ye awake mineral water ne so asen ya de ba eje hegin
hello
na de na mama me wura ho anope me ba adwuma ne mani age because me ba no na me akosha ofie so se be sabe sha akosha so
okay
international se me de anije
na anije na ba
e ba adwuma wama papa Bokman na mama wura ho
bebre wo ho we kura podi isa bebre wo ho mama
ba enra ebusafo video ne pa papa ne de kyerem enra video ne pa de kyerem no yentimi mfa nto abontintra
okay
yentimi chese ewiasim president ina akura man yakwan a ye mfa nto se wo hwe sede aya yi kyerɛ papa yo gyina ho no
o me yi a kyerɛ no
aya bɔ kyerɛ no
me bɔ a kyerɛ no
mpacho obi abekan ho o se introduce nansa efe na marasta I'm a freelancer musician o kan ye ho pa
ma me akwa ba na bibia bɔkɔ de
yensu nye
o de afisha pa
Okay.
Fidance say. Akwaba. Na no pay.
Ano pay de me so me nkura.
By Mike Imam what? Mfa wen kan. Macho kasa.
Ano pay de em say enchia kese be kwama. Otiefo ni atiefo nyina.
Yo.
Na ensem bi koso wo gamra. Me kura de sika no kura o ma amane. Fiso say me ka e manson. Na so nye manson e na me pe. Ye pe ade ni yiem.
Sa wonwom no ntwe manson no bi wo na wo ke.
Ni padua na etwe manson. Fisa Ivy yare kura me kobo o ma amane no. Mo ka che say e manson nti wo mo ma no ehwe ye ma Ivy wuye.
En sa fa na mo ke kana no pe sa na.
Na me ko ho. Bisa captain me ankasa mafrie ana me ko ho na mbo captain amane say captain Ivy yare o ka kire me say manso na ye etwe no edie ni ye nya wom enti ye nko ne ye nkotwe manso no mu niska bi di mai ampa so ma no wuye a wo she fridge mu nti ye hwe so mbeba be ye yi a omo de so mo ya de na nipa mo te wona mo ya bofo a ya kan musi hey yanka because on ma bibia kura nyema hi said driver ni bia on afa no wo ho me kote on obebo me nam say hey me sweat ni editu ya oka o me kura junior consina wunya no me kura mi nya bi enni hwe bronya i December on sie so mu cheska no se na no mbema bia minim besi na royalties me sanka
and I say royalties January to June to December say 6 months
we dia krane ne ne am ya ne se baye be bomode me frɛ na mpadu ka kyerɛ nana ba bia Ivy da no enye na dia wo ye pani enti no wo ka bia on befa nana ka kyerɛ me se rest no masɛm de e ho de na no nuru dwam wo ho wanka se nana mpadu anka se no muton wo si na no nuru dwam wo ho a ne me ensuru bu akora ehirita ne me me doesn't hear me and
someone wo mu huru kwaso wo mu huru ana wo na twe na fe wo awoda wo de wa hey ebe na kwaso anteda onti yes ya soro bu akura hurita ana won chancha nso mu abo wo ko
captain ya de me ma na wo simen san kwaje
okode akura tu ayetwe
captain
ana wo amane
person me ye bibi anya hwe apia na me wure kwakofi because ensam no dɔɔso ha de wo mu ni sa hwe a me de we beba mba hwe a rest mu kra no omo time aso office wo so mu firi odi daada wo ani ye beba so resoma ani na dom mu time aso so mu firi okra ma quickly ma menye we nwie me ba me mo sequential evidence no hu say omo time aso mu firi wo me pesa odumtuni bia wo tie me no say wo financial statement in 2015 2016 and 2017 and 18 em say 17 dia wo me ka mu me pesa me kire obia bibi wa ha legal fee no lawyers for no ma be ye wo gamro lawyers na ye say tam e wo gamro wo fa 2015 na ko page 24 uboka ko hu legal fee wo ho legal fee no as the year 2014 no ma aye lawyers no ani 20,000 ani 200 million ba wo ba 2015 a wo ma lawyers no 65,000 as the year 2015 per a year
650 million
yes 650 million and the man lawyers no and no krom say legal fee o man ka say court filing and o man court na we sika yetwa ma omo anu nie me de na ato nchen kofa 2016 dia na ekura mi
page den
uko page 41 uko page 41 aha 2015 dia na say 67,000 e buy that's 660 million now uko 2016 87,400 870 million
legal fee
and ya di ma lawyer so aha so Also legal fee be anyhow. Na the who one court filing fee. Court filing wa ha. Hello.
How many the man?
Legal fee.
I don't understand. Legal fee be a lawyers ni ye chomoka. Apart from that,
every man to be ano. More 5,000.
Good. Well, oka obi fi say won oka bebre na fese bia mfutro bi e na wo tugu amanfo ani. But this is the reality. Ewo nkrate mu ayepesa odumtuni bia ehu. Hwe 2016 there, wo de court filing by 2015 there, wo mo so man court bia o. Nanso e kire say mo so mutua lawyers forecast 67 million. 650 million. But court filing lawyer bia nkokoto. Men hwe but 2016 yan hwe court filing no 42,150
court filing. And say uncle court be
420 million.
Ebia no more than Crawford more than court.
I want him. Oh, report it. I said, I can't come to me. I want to me.
The court ben am koyeska. Anu binu ne e kan you. Mu say scarce, mu face can.
Captain A 4 or 5 years down the line. And to mo party say woman for bia and court any sika the organization na adun to baby here na 2017 am saying the American muntino 2018 there Mersen Sisubium legal fee 2017 mambo 2017 there 54,000 Ghana cedi 540 million now so oba 2018 58 million
58,000. That's 580 million.
That's a 580 million.
The time
and son a court filing able. Where legal fee court filing by you.
Captain, 3 years ago, you call AGM meeting. You call an Abraham. I just tell you, Abraham, make a general stage car say, oh, surprise my musicians. Surprise by I'll say, on the year 500,000 Ghana cedis, I go to treasury bills. That is 5 billion I go to treasury bills. Up till now, so many so 2 years, and can't win. I didn't even have daddy. Yeah.
20 say.
But 2016, no, and the call El Kumasi. And Abraham Beckham say, almost surprise my musicians. 10 years didn't surprise me say, the 5 billion I go to treasury bills. That is 500,000 Ghana cedis. I go to treasury bills. Up till now, say woye, say mimi, say jira you on your name. Kasano Musevo GT Bank. GT Bank akoshe no na yewo 60,000 bi da ho 30,000 bi da ho 24,000 bi da ho na me follow avim kwa ni ye 60,000 no ni ye tira mbisa Abraham na sika no msom da ko tua loan na ma sa 250,000 say o ma ko tua sa loan no say sika na GT Bank sika no msom ko tua loan. Musicians are suffering. You go to the to me pono tua studio fee pono ayanyom we studio anyum no kra only ska di cha video and the send like 6 months see amoska mojije spinners me buy spinners because you am 10,000 3,000 or spinners 10,000 and the amoji 30 billion every spinners or no your husband no on small baby keep cost to if no sika kra on no na ojiji ska no on no that 2 cars out of set of instruments the high what I say what I say no musician be ya no beji 3,500 mo say ma 35 million no mo say the man ba 5 million
I go say then
daddy the go for your no
captain
the most 1 minute me person attorney general TSS me the court attorney general's office and let me catch am say send your mon kasa G2 mo say me ma fa sem bia anko ba bia no me ja to mama yen no mo my mediation team Emmanuel Mkotinase. I was like 1st November 2018. Not like a Rex move free or near re-election ni bibiano. Kokwansa and let's say chance no up to now go phone on mutama so mgusuti wano. Attorney General you demonstration Mr. Tokumase. Me bokoko demonstration Mr. Tokumase Friday. Accra therefore I first president Temia. Akbasa go for the Temia. For only first time ever, musicians made demonstration. Now demonstration when ever put in test. So if you say we are not going to allow our musicians to type anymore. Attorney General office, so much just on atum. Because they not prepare.
Captain,
no go for the office.
Captain, no remember about voice be mama. One more, me sure any program mama grand gay.
I do the can watch the producers.
Producer.
Tigo obeji voice bi wa hana wo sanction na ya play.
Kuti.
0302216561216562. Coming him senka hodi enka moto nyuma ye me ni je enka hodi enka
demonstration pa
make cry ye djuma wo ho no wo musician wo kwa obusu ya kwa bi because on this car on
actually 33,000 a month mo de mo month so na mo twetwa mo ka na musicians no yare na mo bada mo skani ho no makowu o mo de ma ba be ye na makopa instruments na ma ye stage na mo de service na ye say inkwasa for ye wi ya to nyunu wi a na ama next please one be who next I say list no next please omo twa me de obewu no ma ye but you are really but they are not ready to support.
0302216561216562. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Ebusham Pachoma Mintio.
Kofi writing Viniba.
Kofi Medasi.
Captain, and a Pemuria wo papa. Hey, musician son musu the man. Hey, Joaka, also mothers and was shine to Kusu Jeru. Then you bring the one saying, a baby before Mutimi papa. Captain, Yamuko for the one you want from the Quado. Ebe with this many. Eba sitting a woman who are market catch up with them the more you say, Yamina him quite marble. We are doing a mobile.
Amen. Dear Father, next person. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, Mima, Auntie, after morning, the Mima Fishapa. Pacho, from Manasasari. Na me Pacho, me that minister Prono, Abamu, Minister, and you to force her. And you to form with two new and no. After almost was a Domu Captain, wouldn't Pacho. I need you in phone copy with Bawai. That's it.
Hello. Yes, good morning.
Morning.
Nyamiadom, Pachoma Mintio. Medase.
Captain, one. A little bit. No, politics. No, I mean. No, Toma, the Mama, I know this one. So, can I know Nana? So, I call the Peter, I know what I can do up on my the say, sir, I miss the captain. I'm more, I buy more Muslim after the GT. So, first, will be our I'm more to say, this cow. And yet, I got the car, I have a mobile fancy worker, and yeah, respect and Michigan. Well, so now I'm going to so but the deal with that kind of media from there. When we so now which you want to
Hello.
Hello, Captain.
Ebushama Intio.
My channel pay.
Major Sododo.
Where chief weather, Ubini Bakupa Makawabri.
Yo.
Hey, now, if you be a munyo,
The Debbie Baby Andrew yet.
if you be a munyo, Captain, William the other way.
Debbie.
Yes, good morning, I shall Ghana Hano. Which you are, which you could say, all the side goes to a nipper wheel. Open to us, Captain.
Jim FM. Hey! Michelle, I'm so good. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Captain.
Ebushama Mintio.
Every time I'm office, Yapa.
I think commentary.
Captain, when you say Ghana for ye do you who's no papa. Captain, Mammy, maybe a mechanic. Captain, when you say Yan Casa, Captain, wait, Master Mamma said, then go to 13 plate, but for 15 plate. But Bibini, near 13, near the Abrow. I am a good one, say, dear Pedium Power, says so. Say, you know, when you say Yajuma, na Woody Diva, no Wuria, or Master, and before say, Moment, and near moi. So she say, you see, I say, oh, that single room, every quabi that kills you, who that kills my every quabi that one. The NTA may say, Pano, near you go to Kumukwa. Captain Yamichel said, I thought the topic to be bad. Now, I can't need Yakma. Yamichel, oh, my move back, but the Hawaiian, we had treated the near Mabia, oh, my move 100 car, gave me. Captain Yamichel, Nina, Obama, Uba wuna se wo fesa so abetiku ofi anya bi a went manye Captain Yamisha papa.
Yamisha won so yan for the next person. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Captain.
Pacho mamintio.
Kuseku.
Onipa hu ye hu.
Captain God in La Paz.
Meda asigode.
Hey, na Captain, musician who near that. Once what ban no make it as a politician too. So bit is a resume. Since some I come from another. Now what you want away with champagne for one bonjour. No ma come dion ekumo. Now visit that you also the best with you. One should know one young man maybe down to him.
Mensomeda say Fafo Frobra. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Nice to say.
Nyame adumo.
Okay.
Yo me that. Yeah, musician see. I say yeah ho koto. Yeah ho enkoto. Ndi egu ankuru. Ye mpeso obi adoko nani. Enra minye di enemi nya. Ese mi yedidi. Nti edumre a wata ye so ye kata ni ti hu. Ye hu se de ye enra na enye. No obi ya. Na awasi etu ye ho fo. Sefi ni santinia amanfo abonum asedem awu. Ebra na ebi nu di ane de na yanti dedi. Ye besere wo yen koda na ya ba ye ni ate. Ye be sori wo so. Etan se na ye nya bi mu ni na se kasa. Ye so ane de ye ne ye si adema music industry. Ye ne se ye. Ye besere omo ho ye bi ta omo se omo ma pen so. Eden no mo ye de bua industry. On say na e kan growing di wachi and di wachi a wo ti agro di ede but e be di wachi di a no so agro we di na ya agro fu ye be sere omo so tom su ban me that it
Yes, you da say. Yan for last person here enko. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Captain. Good.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Pacho mamintio.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Captain.
Pacho mamintio.
Kuseku.
Onipa no hu ye hu.
Ade ye be yejumo.
Papa.
Me de kakra me kasa.
Ye share ye nche good morning bi obi share wa mi so kuseku.
Onipa hu hu. Jerry ne me kasa Africa so.
Me da say.
Captain na wa gangu nsem ya abeba bebe. Wo de bisa ma me na wo no. Omo yes omo koto car bi. Aba gangu. Unu se omo check car na ntwemfam. Omo to free Togo. Na omo de chata normal. Ena di register car no. Me nka di.
Asema na okay.
Bisa wo de bisa mi dina so. Omo koto Toyota car bi. Omo to free Togo. Ena omo de unu se cars na charters na ye adwuma wo mines ni ade no. Omo mba krom. Captain wo de family no me na wo de nka wo pon afre me. Into omo ko mines na omo ye adwuma da DVL funo. Cars na any town na ye adwuma charter bulldozers ni ade no. No omo afoje numbers e dia fom e dia ma Togo cars na register na nsi omo titi bebre. Sa car ni omo say charter normal na omo da kwese. Nye say charter normal na omo ekotwa wo. Car na ngasa na nye omo amfa mfiri amfa port ama omo twifim fi Togo e na omo koto e de buy. Sa car na say about 500 and something million. And so sa car no Togo na 120 million.
And Pacho de jina.
Who say politicians e dia ba ye be on be kan ya. That's omo kama me follow kakra na chi. Ade o ya wunye obi anye na me to adwum. Nti mo di mo amu ku eni mo eku a mo amu di mo amu nani leader mo leading for no ya pese onya no ho na ni nuambre te se wo ko nani ma na wo kotokoto Ghana
Pacho jina so man fanto so jina so.
Yeah, hello Minia that is saying.
Yes sir.
Me Pacho waka security Toyota security na asem na wo kan wo.
Yes, very good.
In Pacho bisa who evidence bi kire say you say tractor number mo ko register no mo ko DVL ni tractor number na boso.
Yes.
Who evidence no?
No evidence.
Me Pacho da na me nsa betumi aka so we do evidence ja captain amamia.
Okay, all right. We do we on test number na mama.
Okay, the one say me pese me chiro bibi kakra because me once a transaction na call so. Onya ko no de car na beton man colors me friend is set. There's nothing like tractor number na wo kan tie ni ye. And me wo bank statement no so no wo mu tue sika na 55,000. And I said, Fanny said, I tracha nama, Sako joint with mobile, no, the lawyers me and son buy. I didn't know when I come talk on talk and if in channel. Woman friend, say, then I will bet on a car, a entry female, said, yeah, Gambro Begin is cutting to no one, sir. Okay, maybe. Mean you are no. But you only say, Obo star, no, Obo star 1477. Car chances number be available via Nipo importer no, Obo ya ebe nipa no number ba onim sa de no. Opa that can make and for chances number na bo na hwe say importer bi beba. Masa yan kwala o. Yan ya delicate ache. Nti say na ata yi kwa ya che no man follow ya.
All right, let us say. Okay.
We say me you obiano pon. Ma me you obiano quickly. Abranti bi be kasa no say koto de ben no. Ano ka say musicians are mo koto no. Ma me business sem ebe no nya bidi. Rexo man no ebe ambetina o ka say Carlos mu time aso. Nti omo de omo court. Enom yo mu free ho. Anom de omo time aso mu ni constitution bi amu use. Cause constitution afina atonje na oma ye bia mayan ye ba be pass. Ena mo time of pay no so aso. Te omo te ho ayeden. But omo ka say omo koto. Ye ko fo no wu de ene de. Obi dia bobi so na mkwan so. No, and tell you, say, my man, ya no them. Ya men cano.
Kafra. Again.
Hello.
Young fancy. Young fancy. You met Dwaso. Mate. I say, we know, me sure say, in chow hand. Mate. Me show you, mammy. So, same way, in chow. No, Kiana King. Call Biffy baby.
Oh, yeah. Anka any beje pa.
Kiana can call Biffy baby.
In some dear woho.
Because I bet one pass a crew yet to me.
On my same be show-based credit union. No matter catch a musician, same about Bessian. I also be Piaba.
And some captain.
I might be account, might be a credit union. And I'm calling musicians. Oh, I am about Bessian. Scan, why is it on that to one? I am about Besson as you are trying interest. I'm
what was the cabesi 1.8 billion account to me. No more for some Cobobusian 500 million baby elections. And your chancel.
Into of her, Captain.
Oh,
life.
Tigo. Betia my man can wasama. Betia mammy, every year. I'm a free, I'm a kind. What's the no coin?
And then we call Gamma office. If the royalties no chairman, thank you. Let me get a snap.
Any
enemy Kosia. Because no man from me pay. I send me the job.
It's your son. What can we? What was up?